Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Slack workflows to automate approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Slack workflows for automating approvals, begin by opening your Slack application. Navigate to the workspace where you'd like to set up the workflow. Click on More in the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Workflow Builder. In the Workflow Builder window, click on the Create button to start a new workflow. You will be prompted to name your workflow. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the workflow. Next, select a trigger for your workflow. Triggers are the events that will start your automated process. You can choose from options like form submission, channel join, or new message posted. Once you've selected your trigger, click on Add. For instance, if you selected form submission, define the form fields required for approvals. After setting up the trigger, click on Next to proceed. Next, you will add the steps that the workflow will take. Click on Add Step to open the options for actions. You can choose actions such as sending a message, posting to a channel, or waiting for an approval. Select the action that suits your approval process best. If you choose Send a Message, enter the recipient and the message content. You can also incorporate variables from your trigger to personalize the message. Continue adding steps until your workflow reflects the complete approval process. After you finish adding steps, review your workflow for any adjustments. Make sure each step is clear and serves its intended purpose. When satisfied, click on Publish to activate your workflow. Your workflow will now be live and ready to automate approvals within your Slack workspace. To test the workflow, trigger it manually to ensure all steps function correctly. Monitor the workflow during its initial use to catch any potential issues. Adjust any settings as necessary based on user feedback. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured a Slack workflow for automating approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.